spicy. I'm gonna show you how to make Nigerian jollof rice in this video, and yeah, don't mind me, I just been pouring some sweet malt for myself. Oh boy, I like food though. Let's get into it. So first things first, I had to go get chicken breast at the cold store, and this went for like 1,800 naira, pretty expensive, sha. Then I had to like boil the chicken with some spices and salt, onions and what have you. Just put them all together so I can now fry it. I wanted to keep some too so I can mix stew as the week goes ahead. Pour vegetable into your fry pan so that you can fry your chicken separate. You want to make sure you don't over fry your chicken. Next thing, so you put vegetable oil into your pot and then you fry your onions. Some people have garlic and ginger with it, not really my kind of thing. Then you add your tomato paste, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. I think one sachet is about 3 tablespoons, so I just used one sachet. I wish I used more so I can get more extra flavor. But yeah, one sachet should be enough for you. You can make it too, depending on the quantity of your rice. And after, you keep on stirring it on the pot and make sure that it doesn't get burnt. Once you done stirring it, then you can add your other pepper sauce to it, and yeah, just stir together. You keep on stirring while wait a little bit for it to cook. And right here, I added the extra, the water from the chicken so it's not boiled, because I'm a Nigerian guy in Yoruba house now. Put your spices. This is my curry, my thyme, my multi-purpose spice, my ginger, garlic, all of them, as I like them. I think I use 4 spices here, not too much. Then you add, water, and you put your rice so that it boils. You can literally allow this boil for like 20 to 30 minutes. You should actually cover it. Don't put it down. Just put it down for the video purposes. Yeah, so you get. And yeah, because I love sausages so much, I find a way to tie some sausage into. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Peter. I'm a travel vlogger based in Nigeria, and I create travel content basically, but this is my tiny kitchen section, and this is where I cook Nigerian dishes for you as a bachelor, just take it like that. So this is Nigeria, and NEPA can disappoint you at any point in time. I was cooking and they switched off the lights, so I just had to use my phone to like get this in. Just added my chicken so that the chicken can become twins with the rice, something like that. They should join body together, husband and wife. Yeah, so my jollof rice is ready. It's, oh my god, thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. If you like this video so much, give it a thumbs up so you can change me to cook more Nigerian recipes, and let me know how you feel about this dish. How does it look? What was my presentation like? I knew it tasted beautifully good. In fact, plus I'll go serve another one for my plate now.